Hi, my name's Jigar Sagar. I'm the managing director at Creative Zone in Dubai. We moved into this villa just last year in October 2017. Obviously, when we received the property, there was no landscape done. It was a pile of sand, and I would walk out every day thinking, what am I going to do with this space? As soon as I had moved in here, there would be at least 10 different people knocking on my door asking, allow them to do the work, and they would show us around the community. It was really unpolished, the kind of work that I saw with the other suppliers and contractors, and I will continue to call them suppliers and contractors because I don't think they're designers at all. That's when I got a reference from a friend, visit Milestone. Got a call to meet Sejal, see the show villa, just had a casual chat. There was something about that conversation which it put me at ease in the sense that it didn't feel like she was trying to win my business. It felt more like she was trying to give me guidance, and that was something that I actually needed from day one. So here it was giving me a complete design without me having signed off on anything. As a client, I felt confident. I felt, okay, I think this project's in the right hands. The aspect from the design that I really appreciate, and this was an original idea from Sejal, the raised flooring which extended into what we have now created as a bar, which was an open area. So it was enclosing of that room, creating a space out there which allows us to entertain our guests, not just in winter but in summer as well. Because it's connected to the house and to the garden, it becomes a transition point out here. In terms of features, we've done a couple of water features, wall features, but the one that stands out the most for me is the pergola. It's large enough for a full family to be entertained. It's got the uniqueness, especially with the candle wall feature on one side, the water feature on the other side, and the openness into the green area on the other side. And it's just come out better than what I expected. And one other thing that really helped was the lighting. And every time a guest has walked into this villa through the garden gates, they just want to know the name of our landscape designer. So I would recommend Milestone to anyone and everyone who's looking to either upgrade their landscape or create a new one. It's been a pleasure.